How Polish-RONIKI products are manufactured. Before we begin, we first change into the factory-provided shoes and uniforms. After changing, we clean and dry our hands, then enter the air shower to remove any surface dust. Let's start with raw material preparation. A high-quality gel polish begins with high-quality ingredients. To ensure batch consistency, our factory purchases raw materials in large quantities from the same batch and conducts rigorous quality testing to ensure viscosity, yellowing resistance, flexibility, and hardness all meet standards. Based on the material properties, our R&D team designs a suitable formula, pre-mixes the ingredients, and continuously compares color swatches to determine the final ratio. The pre-mixed formula is then placed in an insulated chamber for a 7-day, 70°C high-temperature resistance test to observe whether any separation or yellowing occurs. Once the formula passes this test, we begin preparing the base material. Resin, diluent, photoinitiator, and other ingredients are added to a high-speed mixer and blended for 15–20 minutes. The mixture then goes through a large drum grinder for 30 minutes, followed by a second grinding for further refinement. Since air can enter the mixture during grinding, defoaming is necessary. The base material is placed in a vacuum defoamer, where air is extracted, and the mixture is stirred to remove bubbles. After defoaming, instruments are used to measure whether the viscosity meets the standard. Next is the production of semi-finished products. Following the ingredient list, staff weigh out the materials with gram-level precision. After mixing for 10–20 minutes, the material is ground and filtered to remove impurities, then sent again for defoaming. Afterward, our quality control team performs the first inspection by brushing out the gel and comparing it to the color chart to confirm whether it meets production standards. The next stage is filling. Workers first apply the product labels. Then, the filling machine injects the gel into bottles. Brushes are inserted manually, and the bottles are capped using an automatic capping machine. We then move to installing the color caps. Each cap contains a color chip that has been manually painted and cured in advance. These chips are placed into plastic caps and pressed onto the bottles. To prevent loosening, caps are secured with a second knock. Finally, quality control staff conduct a final round of sampling inspection, checking that the label information is correct, the packaging is intact, and the color and smell meet specifications. Once confirmed, products are marked, boxed, labeled, and sent to the warehouse. On the scheduled shipping date, the goods are picked from the warehouse and prepared for delivery.